Hey guys, this is Joe at the Idaho Auction Barn. Got a 99 kit Road Ranger fifth wheel. This one's been sitting for a while. It's from an estate. The family didn't know much about it. I'll show you what I've noticed so far, and then you guys can come down and check it out for yourself. One thing is we do have some separation going on right here that I noticed. The battery was, of course, gone out of it. I picked it up and towed it in. I just put a jumper on here to run the front jacks, so the front jacks were working. Let's see what we got here. I don't know. This is just, there we go. It did have mice. They had it out in the field, and unfortunately some mice got to it, so you're going to have some cleaning to do. We vacuumed up the inside, but you can see they were up in here as well. We've got a Royale fridge and freezer. It needs a little bit of cleaning, but it's not too bad. I don't get a response on the light here, and this button doesn't feel like it's engaging properly, so I can't test that out too much. Fan's working. I did get the slide out this morning. Let's see if we can show you up here. It's got a pretty nice corner shower, a little bit of extra gear, but a nice corner shower. There's the stool, and even room for a washer and dryer hookup. So there you have it. Let's go ahead and I'll bring in the slide just so I can show you that those are working. So that one's in. The cupboard up here is damaged. I think somebody must have opened the slide at one time and damaged the cupboard door. So there you have it. I'm not going to bring it all the way in because I'm going to leave it open for people to look at and to view. But, you know, pretty decent looking little trailer with a little bit of, like I said, needs a good cleaning because of the mice, the batteries, and not sure about the fridge utilities. As far as we know, it was winterized when it was parked, but it had been sitting for quite a few years before I picked it up. So if you have any questions, give us a call, but we'll look forward to seeing you online.